Guys, I'm back after a month. I've been focusing on my school, guys. So sorry. But anyways, I'm grinding on this game, Arise crossover. Now I have a G0 from the April Fools update and 4SS 0. And my sword has disenchant burning flame, where if you hit an enemy with it, they burn. Look, I I think my account was moved. Yeah, this is my mount, my horse, my aquatic, coffin boat, striker. My flying mount is just blue dragon because I'm a free-to-play player. And so yeah, that's it guys. I'm sorry again for not posting for 1 month. Bye.